and just organize it for them because they did a lot of stuff for us. Exactly what I'm going to do. It's just organized.
Control her better.
I am controlling her.
Well, there's a cat or dog.
So now she has the cats outside. Chill.
Stop scaring the babies, okay?
It's a beautiful day, everybody. And then I need to finish one for the companies. So, we got Sunday Square. Seeing cardinals like that, I wish I took a picture of the things who came and visit me, you know? But yeah, she always tries to look out for me, despite that she's already gone. Oh, look at those buzzards! I don't get my phone.
I don't know. That dog could be like an escape artist or something.
So like, okay, so every single time when I do a video, I don't know, comment down below if you can read it. It's okay, it's just our neighbor closing his gate. Dude, where's my first phone? There's a crazy person in the middle of the street trying to take a picture. Well, I'm trying to take a picture. Three people that she did that for her to not like something and you're, I don't know, to be like family and stuff, or she considers as family. She'll love it. But she'll always tell you to take it off. I didn't know that. Or go to Fort Worth or Dallas hospitals. For Fort Worth hospitals. More up there. I'll probably point it out to you guys. I don't know what my friends use it for, but